Hello and welcome to this week's video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make 3 warm beverages. These drinks are going to carry you through winter. They're healing, they're delicious, they're quick, and they're healthy. All right, first up is Haldi Doodh. This is the perfect beverage to heal you. It's anti-inflammatory, it's antiviral, antifungal. This is all because of turmeric, which has the powerful compound curcumin. So I'm going to first start by pouring 1 cup of almond milk. So we're going to let this milk come to a simmer. And while it's doing that, we want to add a healthy pinch of saffron. That's what gives it that luxurious flavor and that sheer khurma-like flavor that we want. We'll also add to it a pinch of black pepper. Now, pepper has the compound piperine, which brings out the healing, anti-inflammatory, antibacterial properties of curcumin. Now, I wanted to talk a little bit about turmeric. This is the brand that I've been getting lately, and in fact, I just found this at Trader Joe's. For those of you living in North America, I want to encourage you to buy organic when it comes to spices like turmeric. I'm going to lower the heat a tiny bit. I am also going to be adding 1 cardamom. And you just take a mortar and pestle and take out the seeds and just get the oils out. Just crush it a tiny bit. Cardamom is a really great spice. Again, antiviral, anti-inflammatory. All of these ingredients in this milk are going to heal you. You don't really realize it till you're older and find that all those foods that you were having when you were a kid are healing and soothing. Definitely something you want to try at home. I added some raw honey, which again in itself is antibacterial. So you want to make sure that you're using the best ingredients, because you're having this as medicine. This is food as medicine and the best version you can find. So I encourage you to try this out this winter. Give it to your kids. You know, we're all going through this pandemic. We want to balance our immune system, and with the flu season coming, you want to really ensure that you're getting the proper nutrition. So that's for the healing turmeric latte or Haldi Doodh. Now on to the next one. All right, so this next one is extremely popular with my boys. They love it because it's got chocolate in it and it's sweet. Of course, it's hot cocoa. And I started making this a while back just to avoid the added sugars and additives that you find in store-bought cocoa mixes. They are full of different chemicals and sugars, and I wanted to control how much sugar my kids were getting. We tend to get more sugar because they're hidden in our foods. The recommendation for kids and women is 6 teaspoons daily, but we end up eating much, much more. In fact, the statistics show that we have close to 20 teaspoons daily. So it is really good to be mindful of your sugar intake. And sugar, as you know, can lead to a host of problems, chronic illnesses. You have diabetes, you have inflammation. I'm all about the anti-inflammatory lifestyle. That's how I healed my own Hashimoto's. All right, so as the milk is coming to a gentle simmer, I'll be adding this maple syrup, the cocoa powder, and then I'm going to be adding some vanilla to this as well. and just keep whisking it. So this next recipe is a savory one. We're just going to saute the chicken. I find this to be really, it sort of takes away that raw taste. So I usually take the wings and the back of the chicken, parts that nobody really wants to eat, and I'm sauteing it in some garlic. And once it's sauteed for a few minutes, now it's time to add the water. The intention is to just cover the chicken. This is something that I've been having more of lately, although again I grew up on, for my Desi folks, you all are aware of yakhni. My grandfather would really insist we had chicken soup or yakhni. Of course, we didn't realize at the time that it's so great for gut health. So I added some ginger, a knob of ginger, and now I'm adding a few peppercorns, some pink salt. Again, I use pink salt more now than regular table salt because it has more nutrients. It's a great source of potassium and magnesium. And it has more nutrients that your regular table salt doesn't. One thing I forgot to add to this is onion. So I'll be adding this right now. Bone broth is great for gut health. It, again, balances that immune system that we are all in need of balancing. All right, so that's it for this week's video. I hope that I've inspired you to get into your kitchen and make these healing anti-inflammatory drinks, give them to your kids, and I would love to hear your comments. Tell me if you like these recipes, if you've tried them, tag me on Instagram. I'll be posting all the links down below, so make sure you go and check that out, and I hope to see you in the next video.